Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro and let me share with you how to check the IMEI numbers of this device. So let's begin with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code, and after that I'll show you how to do it using the settings. So let's tap on the dialer and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And right now scroll down to find status information. And as you can see right here, we've got the IMEI number for the second SIM slot. For some reason I cannot find the one for the first SIM card. However, I believe that it is the problem with this specific model. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.